Strong passwords are enough to keep you safe. Passwords can be stolen or guessed. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds the crucial extra layer. Only big companies get hacked. Small and medium businesses are common targets because attackers know they usually have weaker defenses. Antivirus alone can stop all threats. Modern attacks, phishing, ransomware, 0 days, bypass antivirus. A layered security approach is essential. Cybersecurity is just an IT issue. Human error is the leading cause of breaches. Every employee plays a role in security. Hackers are always outsiders. Insider threats, malicious or accidental, account for a large percentage of breaches.